Welcome all in economics class. Let's start our chapter index number. In the module first, we have constructed index number by simple index number method, and in that we have seen all items were of equal importance and we have given equal importance to each item. Now in this module we will study about the weighted index numbers. In this, weights are assigned to all items or commodities, and these weights indicate the relative importance of items or commodities in the calculation of an index number. Weighted index numbers can be constructed by two methods. First is weighted average of price relative method, and second one is weighted aggregative method. Now first of all we are doing the weighted average of price relative method. In this method you can see we will use the formula here. P01 equals to summation of RW divide by summation of weight. वेट्स गिवन होते हैं इसमें हमें, तो हम सबसे पहले प्राइस रिलेटिव मेथड में हम प्राइस रिलेटिव को मल्टीप्लाइड कर लेंगे रेस्पेक्टिव वेट्स ऑफ आइटम्स से, एंड दीज प्रोडक्ट्स देन एडेड अप एंड डिवाइडेड बाय सम ऑफ वेट्स. तो प्राइस रिलेटिव को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट वी डिवाइडेड बाय द सम ऑफ वेट्स. प्राइस रिलेटिव एज यू ऑल नो, प्राइस रिलेटिव हम कैसे निकालते हैं? प्राइस रिलेटिव इफ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट देन आर, हम इसको आर से डिनोट कर रहे हैं प्राइस रिलेटिव, एंड फॉर फाइंडिंग द प्राइस रिलेटिव फॉर द करंट ईयर वी विल divide the current year price by the base year price multiply by 100. So by this method we will calculate the price relative, and then we will find out the index number. Given the following data and using weighted average price relative method, we will construct an index number for year 2019 based on 2011 prices. So here you can see commodities ABCD prices are given of 2011 base year prices, and as well as 2019's current year prices are given. First of all what we will do, weight also is given according to the different commodities. तो weight इसमें हमें given होता है. Then we will find, first of all we will find out the relative price R, and as we all know R we will find out by using the formula P1 upon P0 multiply by 100. So here P1 is 47 divide by 39 into 100, 12 divide by 8 into 100, 18 divide by 14 into 100, 15 divide by 12 multiply by 100, and 30 divide by 25 multiply by 100. We will get the values here. 120.5, then 150, 128.5. Here we will get 125, and in the last we will get 120. तो हमारे पास में रिलेटिव प्राइसेस आ गई है. Now in the next column we will multiply the relative price by the weight. So we will get the R W, दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. तो R we have got from this, and W weights are given. So here when we calculate it we will find the multiplication values. W multiply by R, 385.7 250 and 120. Now we will get the summation of R W. It is required according to our formula, and it will be 1387.75. 1387.75. Summation of weight also required according to our formula, so it will be 11. Now we will put in the formula our formula of finding the weighted average. Index number is P01 is equals to summation of RW divided by summation of W. weight. यहाँ पर हमारी वैल्यूज़ हैं 1387.75 डिवाइड बाय 11. When we divide it, we will get 126.16. 126.16. So this is the way, or we can say method of construct the index number by using the weighted average of price relative method. Next is weighted aggregative method. Under this method, different goods are accorded weight according to the quantity bought. Different economists gave different formulas for finding or constructing the index number. Some has given the weights on the basis of quantity bought in the current year. Some on the basis of quantity bought in the base year has given the weight, and some uses both the years, current year and in the base year. So here we will use these three formulas given by the three economists, Lasparis method, Pasch's method and Fisher's method for constructing the index number. Three has given the different formulas. First is the Lasparis method. According to the Lasparis, he uses the base year quantity. You can see in the formula. Ye formula in this, he has uses the base year Q0. Q0 he has used for weighted the different items. So this formula we will use for constructing the index number by Lasparis method. Second is the Pasch's method. In this formula you can see Pasche uses the current year quantities Q1. He has given emphasis on the current year quantity, and his formula to construct index number is this one. And third one is the Fisher. Fisher has given this formula, and he has combined the techniques of Lasparis method and the Pasch's method. You can see this formula, ये आप देखिए, this is from the Lasparis method and this is from the Pasch's method. तो ये formula Fisher ने दिया है and multiply by 100, and Fisher uses both the quantities for base year quantity as well as current year quantities as weight, and his formula is this one. Generally Fisher's method is treated as ideal formula because it takes into consideration the price and quantities of both the base year as well as current year. Now we will do some questions according to all these formulas so that it will be more clear to us. Here some data are given, one illustration we are taking, and in this the base year is the 2011 and current year is 2016. So we have to construct price index number for the year 2016 with 2011 as the base year, and we will use all the three methods, Lasparis method, Pasch's method and Fisher's method for calculating the index number. तो यहाँ पर आप देखिए 4 commodities are given. According to that, price and quantity P0, Q0, base year price and base year quantity is given, and P1 and Q1, current year price and current year quantity is given. तो यहाँ पर हमें ये डेटा गिवन है करंट ईयर के और बेस ईयर के. नाउ वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट इंडेक्स नंबर. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर यूजिंग द लास्पायरेस मेथड. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द लास्पायरेस मेथड we have seen all the three formulas, and according to them we need these values P0 Q0, P0 Q1, P1 Q0 and P1 Q1. So यहाँ पर हम ये find out कर लेते हैं. Then we will put all the values in the formula and we will find the index number. So P0 Q0, first of all P0 is here and Q0 is here. तो यहाँ पर हमारी वैल्यूज आएंगी 20 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8, 160, 500, 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 40, 600 and 400. Similarly, next we will calculate P0 multiply by Q1. P0 multiply by Q1 is here, P0 is here. 20 multiply by 6. So here we will get 120, 200, 50 multiply by 5, then 40 multiply by 15 and it will be 600, and then we will get the value 500. Here P0 Q1 we have got. Now next P1 Q0. P1 multiply by Q0, price, current year price multiply by base year quantity. So here 8 multiply by 40, 320, then 600, then 750, and in the last we will get the 400. In the next column we will multiply P1 into Q1. P1 is the current year price and current year quantity. दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. Then 40 multiply by 6 it will be 240. Then 300. Then 750 and 500. These values we got. Now we will find out the summation of all of this. Summation हमें यहाँ पे required है in the formula. So we will find out the summations. तो summations यहाँ पर हम find out कर लेते हैं. Summation of P0 Q0, summation of P0 Q1, summation of P1 Q0 and summation of P1 Q1. So summation of P0 Q0 we will get 1660. Summation of P0 Q1 is 1470. Summation of P1 Q0 is 2070 and summation of P1 Q1 is 1790. Now we are having all the values. We will put in the different formulas and find out the index number. First of all, Laspeyres method. We will apply in this formula. Our formula is P01 is equals to summation of P1 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0. This is the formula P0 Q0 and P1 Q0 multiplied by 100. So summation of P1 Q0 is 2070 and summation of P0 Q0 is 1660. When we divide, multiply by 100. When we divide and multiply by 100, we will get the answer 124.69. So this is the 124.69. From the Laspeyres method, we have got the index number. Next, we apply the Parsees method. I am rubbing till here so that it will be more clear to you. Here we are having all the values and we have to put in the formula. ये हमारा Laspeyres method से आ गया. Second, we are using the Pasteur's method. There is the basic difference between Laspeyres method and the Pasteur's method is Laspeyres uses base year quantities on the as a weight, and Pasteur use the current year quantity. So here is by the Pasteur's method, summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 करके we have put the values, and 121.77 when we calculate it we got it. Then by Fisher's method, Fisher method is combination of both Laspeyres method and the Pasteur's method. So this is the formula of Fisher's method. I put all the values in this, and after calculation we will get the 123.22. So these three methods we have used, Laspeyres method, Fisher's method and Pasteur's method, for calculating the index number, and Fisher's method is called very ideal method for calculating or constructing the index number.